Good evening. This is Master BCM TV. Good evening. You are welcome back to my channel. This is Master BCM TV on YouTube. Salahuddin Rashid on Facebook. If you have not subscribed to this channel, that is number one thing you're supposed to do. Look at this film under by the right hand side. You will see where the right SUBSCRIBE. Use your finger to press it. It will now change to subscribe with notification bell. Press the notification bell, which means you have taken the notification the moment the new video is coming out. The moment we are on live, you are going to be the number one to be seeing the video. Do not be idle. I'm trying to set the camera very well. It doesn't stand proper. It doesn't stand proper at all. It's not standing proper. Yeah. Hope it's fine like this. It's fine like this. Please, as soon as you enter, please let me share the video out so that the video can go viral. Many people can get the advantage of watching the video. This is Master BCM TV once again. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. You press the notification button for you to be seeing the new videos. Whenever we are on live, you are going to see it. Okay. Yeah. Our tutorial for today is how to use pieces of condemned stone to sharpen the clipper blade. How to use the pieces of condemned stone to sharpen the clipper blade. A stone found in a dustbin We now want to use it to be sharpening our clipper blade. Just to cut it short, we have been using it to sharpen different type of clipper blades in the sharpening workshop. Now, we want to use it to sharpen two of the most strongest blades so far in the whole world. That is a STALLION and a multitapper. Very powerful blades. So you want to use it to sharpen it. Step by step training tutorial. So I tell you once again, remind you, if this is the first time you are watching my video, number one thing you're supposed to do is to subscribe to this channel so that you can be able to be seeing us when we are on live. When we post video, we post short, you are going to be among the number one people to be seeing the videos. You can get full access to go back to our main channel to watch our videos. If you want to comment, you want to reply to comment, you want to share, you want to repost, etc., etc. Or if you have any important thing to tell us, you have the advantage. So that is why it is compulsory for everyone watching the video. If you have not subscribed before, try to subscribe. Subscribe is only one time. Notification button is only one time. And it is free of charge. YouTube doesn't deduct any money from your account. It is free of charge. It is you that's going to be gaining on it. Yeah. When the new videos are out, you are going to be the number one to be seeing it. When we are on live, you are going to be the number one to be seeing the notification that we are already on live. So, and for this time around, we will not be producing VOD video. We only come on live. Yeah, that is on the tutorials, because I'm still producing media, comedy, write-ups, etc., etc. But for now, for tutorial training course, it is on live. We come on live to do it. We come on live to do it. We come on live to do it. I'm trying to clean my cans, kerosene cans, oil cans. They are too dirty. I'm trying to clean them to make them neat. This kerosene is getting finished. So please let me share the video out before we start. Once again, this is Master BCM TV from Nigeria. Master BCM TV from Nigeria. Master BCM TV from Nigeria. So let us subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, you press the notification button. Subscribe. It's only one time. It is only one time. I'm trying to clean my hand. It's full of oil and kerosene. I'm trying to clean it up. So let me show you the stone we want to use for sharpening the two of the most stronger blades so far in the whole world. You see it? This is a broken, condemned, sin in the dustbin. We now repair it to make use of it. To be showing us that wherever you see the stone, once you know how to manufacture it, you know how to refresh the surface, so it is good, still useful for sharpening of the clipper blade. You see it? We are going to use it to sharpen the clipper blade. I'll be showing you the clipper blade one by one now. Do not be annoyed, my voice is not stomach clear. We need to manage it. This is number one blade we want to sharpen, STALLION. This is STALLION clipper blade. Can you see it? It is a tapper clipper blade, very thick, very heavy, stubborn, hard to sharp. This is the second one, multitapper. Multitapper. You see it? Multitapper, very strong blade. You see it? You see it? It is very heavy, strong, thick, stubborn to sharp. You see it? So we are going to use this surface to sharpen the four blade, the two set of clipper blades, two upper, two bottom clipper blade. So we are going to use this stone to sharpen it, this surface to sharpen the upper clipper blade for STALLION, for multitapper. After that one, now we now use it to sharpen the bottom clipper blade for multitapper and the STALLION again. So before we go, number one thing we have to do is to clean the back of our blade very well so that we can apply the masking tape at the back. We can apply the masking tape at the back. I'm trying to cut the masking tape small pieces from the main roll. And don't forget, this is the way you package your masking tape to protect it from drying. This is the way you package it. I'm only showing you for you to know the way you arrange your masking tape so that the gum can last for you for a longer period of time. You can see the way I'm arranging it. You see it. You arrange it very neat. You can see it in this way to protect the gum. So if you still want to use it, we remove it again. You press the back of the blade very well. You press that masking tape very well. You see the way I'm doing it? You press it very well to attach very well. So let me show you one by one. This is for the multitapper. You can see the way I apply the masking tape. You can make it neat than this one, to cover than this one. Let me show you for STALLION. You can still make to be neat than this one. This one is not the best. You can still make it better than this one. You cut it very well. You tape it very well to look fine. And you press it very well so that it can attach very well. Now, normally as I used to do, as YouTube Studio is telling me today, this evening, new viewers watching my video is 84.4%. 84.4%. The remaining is casual viewer and the regular. That is 84.4. 84.4. That is the percentage of the new viewers. Then the casual and the regular are the remaining number. So telling us that every day I come on live, I have new people joining the video. I have new viewers joining the video, which many of them has not watched my tutorial before. Many of them has not watched it before. So, and that is what YouTube is telling me. So percentage of people watching the video regularly is 0.4. It's 0.4% out of 100. That is the regular people. They are very, very few in number. And that this few in number doesn't mean say they are about one or two. They are thousands. They are thousands. Whereas people, new viewers, it be like say they are millions. They triple or 4 times or 5 times the number of the casual, or even more than that, about 100% times. You see it in that way, which means new viewers are many watching my video, which means anytime I want to do the tutorial, I must have to flashback. That is advice from the YouTube. I must have to flashback if I want people to understand my lesson. Because as we are now, people that are regular watching, I have showed it one day, about 3 days ago, now I've showed it. So new people watching the video now, they are 84.4% out of the total 100%. Can you see now? So the number of the casual viewer and the regular viewers are very, very low. Where we have 84.4. That is 1.6. Out of 1.6 remaining now, regular people watching my video, regular, so that they doesn't miss it at all, is 0.4. They are not up to 1%. They are not up to 1%. So the remaining percent is for what do you call it, casual, those who come sometimes and go sometimes. So which means you have to flashback. Now, this is our stone. This is the surface of the, let me watch carefully. Okay, this is the surface of the stone we want to use. And the way we want to use it now, I don't want this program to be long. We do it short because I want to go and sleep quick. I've been working since morning. So we are going to sharpening the clipper blade to cover the whole surface for one side. If you want to sharpen the other side, we still use the whole surface. See the surface I'm touching now? This is the stone. You see it? We still use the whole surface to sharpen the second side for the upper clipper blade. For the bottom clipper blade, we still use the same system, using the whole surface to sharpen one first side, using the whole surface to sharpen the second side. That's the system we are going to use. And it should be in zigzag movement. Going wobbling from one side to the other, from one side to the other, from one side to the other. That is the way we are going to do it. So how to calculate where we're going to place our blade and how we are going to place our thumb. Let me see whether the camera can pick it. Let me zoom out a little. So that many people can see it clearly. Yeah, it's clear like this. So how to calculate where to place our thumb now. This is how part of it. You divide your blade into 2. You divide it into 4. From the center here to the edge here, you now find center. You place your thumb here. Then from the center here to the edge here, you find the center. You place your thumb there. So that is the way to place your thumb. Where to place your thumb here and here. Then if you want to sharpen for this side, you have to use to cover the whole surface. If you want to sharpen for this side, you have to use it to sharpen to cover the whole surface. You see it? So we divide our blade into two like this. You sharpen this one separate, you sharpen this one separate. Then we are going to use the angle of 45 degrees. How do we manage to get the angle of 45 degrees? You see it in this way. This angle 0, this angle 180, this angle 90. You see it in this way. So angle 90 divided by 2 is angle 45 degrees. This is how we work angle 45 degrees out in sharpening of the clipper blade. I think you can see it in this way. That is how we work it out. So it's applicable for upper clipper blade, at the same time applicable for the bottom clipper blade too. You can see it in that way. Now we won't waste much of our time, because this tutorial now I want it to be fast. I've been working since morning. I'm tired. Only if I promise, I love to fulfill my promise. So I say I will get back in definite time. So and I know many people will be waiting for me. So if I just go to bed and sleep like that, it will not be okay. So we should do it quick. We should do it quick. Let us apply our oil. This is engine oil, motor engine oil. This one is motor engine oil, light one. So if you get the thick one, you mix the same proportion of the kerosene with the oil to make it lighter. Let me zoom in a little bit. Let me zoom a little bit. Can be able to see it like that. So you can use your finger to spread the oil. See it? You can use your finger to spread the oil. You see it? Then you take your biscuit bowl. You see it now? This is the surface of the biscuit bone. You see it? You see the surface of the stone now? You see it? Now we apply our kerosene. Though the kerosene is getting finishing, we have to retop it again. But let's continue first. You see the way I blow it to cover? Now, we want to sharpen this side to cover the whole surface. Go to and fro 20 times. That is 20 times on one side. The kerosene is getting dry. We blow it again. We reapply to go for the second side. That is 20 times. You lift it up, you clean it. Yeah, let us check now. Let us check. Yeah, you see it. This one is okay like this. You have gotten the total flatness and total shining across. So let's drop this one here. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. So we are going to sharpen the second upper clipper blade. Before going, we treat the surface of our stone. You don't forget it's compulsory. We treat the surface of the stone. to make the work easier for us. You sit in this way, you apply the kerosene to cover the whole surface. You blow it, you sit like that, you clean your fingers and the thumbs, make it neat. So we go for the second upper clipper blade, to and fro 20 times too. I'm sorry. Twenty times to one side. You clear the back of the blade. You apply your kerosene. You blow it to cover. You blow it to cover. What you do for here, you have to repeat the same thing for here. 20 times here, 20 times here. That is 20 times again for each side. I'm sorry. Yeah, let me show you. You can see it again. So we have seen two things: total shining across and total flatness. You can see it like this. So let's put this one down too. Now we are going for, oh, I'm sorry. Why is it like this? Because I'm tired. I have to take it easy for myself. Oh. I have to take it easy. We want to sharpen for STALLION first. You see it. I want it to show very well. Yeah, you can see it now. STALLION. So we should use angle 45 degree again. Then we use the same method as we use it on the upper clipper blades. But the bottom clipper blade, we are going 30 times each. 30 times each for one side. That is 30 times for one side. You apply your treatment to cover 30 times. That is 30 times each for one side. Let us pick it up now and clean. And let's observe the inside, study the inner surface of the blade, whether the job we have done is correct or it remains somewhere. You see the surface of this stone now. In the morning I use it was smooth surface that time. We need to use the biscuit bone, special stone on it before we use biscuit bone. We have to use this one to scrub it with oil. After now, we now use the biscuit bone to smooth it. You see it in that way, but I've changed this surface to quash surface. So this quash surface now the same thing as this one. Let me see whether the camera can pick it. This one I'm showing you, this number 1, 2, 3. This is 4. So this one is smooth, normal, quash. This one again is quash again. So I've changed it to quash surface. You see it? So you can use it to sharpen the hopper. You can use it to sharpen the bottom clipper blade to make your work faster. So let us see the work it has done on this one now. Instead of wasting time on sharpening the clipper blade, when you know how to design the surface of your stone, it's going to make your work to be fast. Watch carefully now. Watch carefully. You see it? So we have seen two things there: total flatness, all the surfaces, and total shining across. You can see it in this way. So which means this clipper blade too is sharpened correctly. You know, it doesn't waste much time. See the way I'm doing it. So that is why I'm saying, if you know how to design the surface of your stone to be very, very effective in sharpening, you don't need to be pressing your thumb too much. It is the stone that is not sharpening correctly that you press your two tones, be sharpening, going to and fro with pressure. So when you know how to design stone surface very well, it doesn't give you too much stress to use. Very, very easy to use. Very, very easy to use. So you should take note. And that is why I'm saying, when you finish watching my live, still subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed, press the notification button to allow you to go back to the main channel. Go and watch the previous videos, how to form the stone surfaces. I've produced a video about 10 different types there. 10. Watch them. Go and watch the way to sharpen clipper blade. Don't leave any video untouched. Watch all for you to gain. We still have membership video which I'm opening many that now to watch free of charge instead of paying money. So when you watch different type of videos, you can be able to acquire great knowledge in sharpening of the clipper blade. Sharpening of the clipper blade pass just to place your blade on the stone and say you are sharpening. Many things surrounded the sharpening of the clipper blade. Many things surrounded the sharpening of the stone. Many things surrounding the using of the stone. Many things surrounding the maintenance of your blade and the stone. Can you see? It's a wider field. So if you only based on just to learn how to sharpen like this, you can't know it. And once they teach you, you can sharpen on the good stone. The moment trouble begin to shoot out, you will fall at once. You can't rise again. So now I want to go for the multi-tapper. Let me show you. All these clipper blades are bigger blades. Oh, I'm telling you sincerely, a bigger blades, very powerful blade to sharp. Very, very powerful blade to sharp. But when you know how to design your stone, you can be able to sharpen it gently without rushing. Even if you use sharper or for all this type of clipper blade, you use sharper for them, you still have to know that your sharper sharpening something. It's not easy to sharp, not easy at all. So let us go at the angle of 45 degrees again. The same method we are going to use for the 4. The same method. That is 30 times. You retop your treatment again. We have sharpened for this side to and fro 30 times. We are going to repeat to and fro 30 times for here. Let me check my camera because of the network. Because network nowadays is getting me failing almost every time. To just pack off. That is 30 times each for one side. Sharpening of clipper blade is by logics. Sharpening of clipper blade is technical. Sharpening of clipper blade is tactics. by tactics. So you're supposed to know how to sharpen clipper blade. Number one, you're supposed to know how to fashion out the surface of your stone to be like file. You know, when you buy new file, when you just scrub it on the cutlass or knife, it's going to chop it, make it neat. Sharpen. You design your stone surface in that way. You know how to different type of stone surfaces. This one is smooth, this one is normal, this one is squash, this one is squash. You see it, this one is squash again. Squash surface. Let us look at the multi-tapper bottom clipper blade. Let us watch carefully. Look at the surface very well. Try to study what is inside. What are you seeing? You are seeing total flatness and total shining across, which means this clipper blade is sharpened correctly. You can see it in this way. You see it. So your stone break into two. Your super hard manner sharpening stone break into 3 pieces. Does not bring the end of the road. Yeah, your instrument increase in number. When you have one stone, it fall down and now divide into two. You have gotten 2 instruments again. For those people who know how to make use of that. But some people now, it was somebody who throw this one away in the dustbin. Somebody threw it away there. My customers saw it, they brought it to me. Say I must use it for tutorials. I must be using it to be sharpening clipper blades, to be collecting money from the customers. Can you see? And I'm using it. I'm using it. Now, let us test the work we have done. Though all these clipper blades are very difficult to test, you need to press well and scrub very well before the tapper clipper blade can sew black carbon. Let me see whether the camera can pick it. Yes, the camera can pick it. The camera can pick it. I'm coming. I want the camera to let me stay like this, so that if you want to zoom out, you can zoom out to see it very well. You see the way I'm doing it, so you can zoom out to see it bigger. You put your 2 fingers by the center of the phone. You now draw it to the side. It will bring the image far away, come nearer to you, make it bigger. And once it's bigger, you can be able to see what I'm doing exactly. The way I'm using my fingers to do is my thumb. The way I'm going side by side, front to back, pressing it firmly on the pressing the bottom upper clipper blade on top of the bottom clipper blade. You can see it. So you have to test it very well. Let me get it nearer to the camera. Let me zoom back a little. Yes, you can see it properly like this. Because it's a stronger blade, we have to do it very well before the sign can show. Though as you watch it, see the total shining across and total flatness is even a way of testing. The clipper blade have done well, but to be sure very well, so we have to test it again. We test it in another new dimension. Let me open it. Let me see. Do it small, remain little. It's a very stubborn blade. Let me drop this one here first. Let us do for the second one. You see this is the second one. You see the first one here. So when we do this, you know, I've not opened it. We open the two at the same time. We are going to see the one that is sharpening correctly, the one that is not sharpening correctly. Whether to resharpen it, when you test now, if there is error there, you see where the error is, then we know where to correct it. It's a very stubborn blade. Okay, let me drop the tool like this. You can see them. So I don't want to pick them up. I don't want it to get up from the screen, from the camera surface. So that make it not come be like say I don't change the blade to another one. No. So let me come back to the back of the camera and pick them direct to the screen. Yeah, oh my God. Let me pick the first one. I want it to come direct. I don't want it to be away from the camera surface. You can see it now. You see the sign. Once you can see this sign, when you test, you are a real professional in sharpening of the clipper blade. When you mount this one on the clipper now, you wash it, you treat it, you lubricate it, you run it a little, you not take plenty mass of air to test. You're going to cut very fine. It's going to cut like a new clipper blade, or even better than the new clipper blade. You can see it. So that is a good sign. That is for the number one. Let me open this one down. Let me take the second one direct to the camera again. I've not opened them before. The sign there, I don't know. But let me just show it. What can you still see again? The same thing. You see it? So which means this one too is sharpened correctly. So when you treat it, you wash it, you run it, you lubricate it, yeah, it's going to work like a new clipper blade, or even better than the new clipper blade. You can see it. So that is the second one. So we have make use of the broken, condemned, thrown into the dustbin stone to be sharpened clipper blade effectively. And you can see it in that way. You can see it in that way. So we are using these tutorials to prove to you that when the stone is broken into 2 or 3, that is not the end of the road. You can still make use of the pieces to sharpen correctly, logically, technically. Okay, you can make it, and it will be working like long one. Yeah, very effective. Once you know how to design the stone surfaces, how to make your stone surfaces effective, you are going to use it professionally. I'm telling you, you are going to use it professionally to be sharpening your own clipper blade at the same time for commercial purpose. So that be collecting works from the customers, using it to sharpen for them, to be taking which amount of money from them. Yeah. Then let me put it like this. This one is here. Let us remind ourselves again how to treat the surface of the stone. You see it, you take your biscuit bone, you see it like this. Then this kind of surface now, you can still use some materials on it again, like this. This is green powder. You can apply on the surface to make your work faster again than the way it is. We've used it about made that 4 or 5 days ago now. We have used this powder to sharpen clipper blade. Very, very effective. That is why I always say it. When you finish watching the new video, please go back. Go and be watching the previous ones. They are different. They are different to what I produced in the past. I cannot be reproducing the type again. We'll be producing different type of videos, valuable videos. So when you watch the new one finish, go back and watch the old ones too. I don't even have the old one, the previous ones, because all are valuable, everlasting, evergreen videos. Then we still have 5 grinding machine and paste to apply on the surface of the stone. You can apply it on the surface. We have 2 surfaces here. We have coarse surface. We have fine, which is smooth surface. Fine, which is smooth surface I'm coming. Let me show you. This one self, you can apply it. I will use this one now. We will use this one because I can't show you the two, but two is here, one is here, one is here. They are different. So this is another one. You see it? So I can't show you these three things. And now she has just take it away like that, not using at least one. So let us use at least one paste here. This one is paste. This one is powder. You see it? The three are very, very effective in sharpening. When you apply them on the surface of your stone, you spread it, you treat it normal, you're supposed to treat it, you now put your blade on top. It's going to sharpen very fast and fine. You are not going to waste much of your time on sharpening, especially all these condemned blades. It's not going to waste much of your time. So let me show you the name of it. You see this one, this is squash. This squash end. This squash end now, the paste inside is the same thing as this surface and this surface. This one is squash surface, very, very effective. This one is squash surface, very, very effective. This one is squash surface, very, very effective. Then the other hand, let me clean it. You see the other end, this fine end. This fine means smooth. SMOOTH, smooth surface or smooth paste. You see it? So this smooth one, you apply it on this smooth surface only this stone. You apply it. You can still apply it on the rest too, but it's mainly for this smooth surface. So let us use, this is powder. This powder now, you can use it on the sharpening disc. That is sharper. You can use this one on sharper. At the same time, you can use it on the stone, and it's going to be very, very effective, very, very fast. Now, let us take a little of this thing for sharpening. Let me get it closer so that you can see the way I want to open it. You see, this is a blade. You see it? You see how the cover is. I'm sorry. You can see how the cover is. You see the inside. It's very, very effective. This one is coarse surface. So this one is stronger than the other side. You see the name? Okay, I'm sorry. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. This one is the lowest. This one is powerful than this one. So let us use fine, this smooth. Let us use it. You just take it little. You see the way I take it? Just little. You take it to scrub the surface of your stone. You spread it. You spread it. When you are moving your toe, it used to chop or to be chopping your finger. Be chopping your finger. I want to return the remaining one. It's too much like that. You just apply it little, just small, just small one. You see it? You see the way I close it? You see it? Then put the magnets there. This is it. We call it grinding valve. Grinding valve. Grinding, what do you call it? Valve grinding, please. I'm very sorry. Sleep is worrying me. Valve, motor valve that is inside the engine. That rod that get flat rounded end like this. Valve in the engine. So they used to use this one to grind it. And they used to use it to grind it. That's what they call valve grinding paste. Valve grinding paste. VALVE. Valve. Grinding. GRINDING. Valve grinding paste. PASTE. Valve grinding paste. This is fine end. This one is squash end. This one is stronger than the other side. This one, this squash is stronger. It's very, very effective in working than this fine. So though each one gets its own work, when they newly remove the valve there, when it's very, very dirty, they use this squash to brush it off sharp sharp. They now use this one to smooth it out so that when they return it back, they now put petrol there to not be leaking petrol. Let me return it back to where I pick it. So this one now, I'm coming. Okay, this one is not paste. You now take oil. I'm sorry. So you now take oil. You drop oil at interval. You see it. You see like that. You drop oil like that. So you can use your finger to spread, just to tap like this. You be spreading that oil. You spread it. You sit in this way. The oil has covered the surface of the stone. You see like this. The oil has covered it. You see it. I'm coming. I want to zoom out a little. I can't see the stone again. Oh, wonderful. This one, no. This one, no. Okay, where is it? Wonderful. Yes. Can you see? I'm very, very sorry. Oh, I've tampered with the camera before. You can see it. I'm very, very sorry. I just wonder, I can't see the. I've tampered with the camera. Now, if you want to sharpen, I won't use this one again. I'm coming. Let me put this one inside the sachet. So I want to take another blade to do it. I want to take another blade to do it. I'm looking for one. Yeah, this is wall clipper blade. This is wall. WHL. WAHL. Wall USA. Yeah. There's masking tape at the back. Now you want to sharpen, you now drop little kerosene on top. You see it. You blow it. So let us go now. That is 30 times. 30 times to and fro. The masking tape was removed. You see, that what I'm saying. Oh, so if you don't buy a very strong masking tape, it's going to be wasting your time, going to delay you in getting you may not even achieve what you're supposed to achieve, because your thumb will not be stable on it. It won't give your thumb balance, because when the masking tape is not stronger, it will be shifting. It will be shifting. on the back of the blade. Remain 10 times. For the other side now, remain 10 times. Remain 10 times. So let me apply the masking tape again. I don't want to stay longer. It's not clean very well, but just to manage it, I'm tired. Since morning, I'm tired. Remain 10 times. Remain 2 times. Yeah. Let us check and see how the inner part is. That is why I'm telling you or saying that sharpening of the clipper blade is by trick, logics, techniques. It's not by might or power. I'm telling you sincerely. Once you know the tricks, it won't give you much stress at all. You see it? You see it? The chemical is on it. If I put this one back now, it will weaken the masking tape. So we are stopping here for today. God spare our life till tomorrow again. Any question before we go? Any comment? Okay, bye-bye.